Introducing the home bag. This one is my favorite. I am an interior designer, so everything that I create kind of stems from the home. Eddie Home and Life Unstyled, it's very home oriented. So I had to have a home bag. This bag is best for gifting when you're giving to someone who has just moved to town, someone who is empty nesting, someone who is having a housewarming party, someone who is a home lover. But more importantly, all my realtors out there, this is a great gift for your new homeowners that are moving into a house. It's something that says, I really care about you. I thought about some things that you needed. I'm not just gonna give you some cookies with some bow tied around it and run away. All you gotta do is stick a personalized note in this thing, and I promise you, I've done all the footwork for you. First, we have just a few home-oriented items that every homeowner should have. Serving spoons for your salad. Also, we have a nice decorative vase. Nice little leather strip on it. We have a matching tray to go along with that vase. That's nice and stylish without even trying, okay? And then, as per usual, we're gonna get a candle, because never do you feel more at home than when you have a candle burning. We always have something stylish, something to kind of decorate, just a little shashka, that's what I call those things. And then, last but not least, everybody's favorite high-end oriented fuzzy wuzzy curl up on the couch and watch a movie blanket. This bag is a whole gift in itself. It's a reusable shopping bag. So you can take to the market, you take to Publix, you take to any grocery store you go to. Fits a lot of stuff. And that's everything you get in a home bag. If you have any suggestions and you have things that you want, you're always free to send them to me. But I'm always looking for things that are creature comforts and things that people need in the home. And I will be adding them to make this bag just a little bit fluffier. So it's a work in progress, but this is what we have right now. All the heart and soul that you need to give a client is in this bag. Get the bag. Eddie Home and Life Unstyled at Westside Market.